Merry meet everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I've got a box from Preah Ko. I really like this company. It's an Australian company and they do crystals and all sorts of interesting things. So let's see what's in this box. It's always a puzzle to me how to open these boxes, how they go. So I think this is the way with this one. Let me see. Oh, yep, there we go. I love these boxes. I keep them. I'm terrible. I keep boxes. So, got some nice rose petals. The paper is always beautiful. And I think this might be the third lot of stuff that I've got from them. So, this isn't a mystery box or anything like that. It's just things I chose myself. I have a little thing over here to remind me, because it's taken a bit of time to get here since it's Christmas. So the first thing I got is one of these. This is a sun sphere, so it's a holder for my round crystals. Isn't that gorgeous? I think so. It's just black on there. Very cute. I like that a lot. I'll just stick that over here. You can also ask for cards to explain what your crystals are, and because I always forget, and I've got so many crystals, I normally take the crystal, put it on here and take a picture of it, and then I have it in a file with all my crystals so I know which one's which. I got another little holder, which should go I think I bought something to go in there. I think that's the holder that it came with. Let me have a look. Let's have a look in here. Everything's wrapped up so nicely and safely. Oh yes, there we go. That's it. So this here, this is a black moonstone. Isn't that beautiful? So let me have a look what it says here. Black, so it's a moonstone, which is for new beginnings, intuition, calming of the emotions, balances the yin and yang, smooths emotions, empathy, dreaming, emotional healing, and healing of the digestive, reproductive systems, fluid retention, liver, pancreas, insomnia. Isn't that beautiful? And that is what that's for, so it goes on there. I know I didn't buy that little brown thing. It was a bit confusing. Oh my goodness, look at this. Little bags they put them in now. I can get it open. Oh yes, there we go. That was a bit of a struggle. So these are two other stones that I got. Oh, let me have a look. I can never remember which stone's which. Okay, so this is amber. And this one is tektite. It's just amber and tektite. So amber is for grounding, health, protection. So I'm just going to put that over there and put the amber one on it so I can take a photograph of it. And this one is tektite, which is extraterrestrial in origin, enhances communication, spiritual growth, balances the male and female energies. So it's very pretty. I like that. So I'm going to just put that over there so I remember. I can take a photograph of it. And I love these bags. Better than the plastic ones. All right, so I got some essential oils. I got some Stress Less Pure Essential Oil with lemon, orange, marjoram, ylang-ylang, lavender, and cedarwood. And I got a frankincense oil, which is also good for healing. And what do I get in this one? I have no idea. Sorry, while I'm off camera, I just need to open this. And it's easier to do when... Oh, it's very well wrapped. I've got miles and miles and miles and miles and miles of bubble wrap going. Oh, well, still going. Oh, wow. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Oh my goodness, that's gorgeous. So this is a bismuth. I have a very small piece of bismuth, but I decided I wanted a really large piece, and there we are. I don't know if you can see the colours in that, but this is absolutely gorgeous. And this stone activates the crown chakra, clears the thoughts, and raises the vibrations, or your vibrations. It's grown in a laboratory, so it's not a natural stone. But it is beautiful, isn't it? Look at that. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, so I have to cut the tops off this one. This one is a rhyolite, and this is the stone of youthfulness and empowerment, self-forgiveness, and this is what it looks like. Isn't that gorgeous? And that's good because it comes in a container there with things. These are aquamarine. So aquamarine, I love aquamarine. I always buy a little bit if I can afford it. This is calming, protective. A lot of the times I don't wear them as bracelets. I cut them, and because they're cheaper to buy as a little bracelet and cut them up and use them than buy individual pieces. That can be quite hard. I mean, quite expensive, depending on the quality you want. And this one is called a mahogany obsidian. This is a grounding soul stone for personal growth, creativity, expression, and aura cleansing. And it cleanses, its healing of the liver and kidneys and relieves pain. Beautiful. So that's my little box that I got, the things I chose. And I like to keep these. I'm terrible to keep boxes, but I just love these ones because they're so pretty. Okay guys, that's another lovely little unboxing for all the things that I got. Thank you once again for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, blessed be and merry part.